Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your you and yours reading now. Aries, you know the you and yours, right? That's you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time. So this could be a neighbor, could be a boss, could be a lover, could be a ex, could be a secret admirer, could be a child or a parent or anyone else. In fact, whoever's affecting your energy the most at the time, and how you can navigate this energy. And these are general collective readings, Aries, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most uh, about the person who's affecting their energy the most at this time. Thank you. So, Aries, let's start with an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless you in this situation. And then we'll go on to your reading. Too many cards. One card, Spirit. Blessing or an advice card for my Aries about the situation. This one. All right. Let's put this aside, Aries, and see what we have. So the card I have for you here, Aries, is reward. Wow. So I have no idea why somebody who's affecting your energy at this moment is actually leading you to a reward in your life. Let's open your cards and check this out. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of the Omkara family. I'm very, very blessed. Thank you for all your comments and all your likes. I'm very grateful to you. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, let me explain this. I'm setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for the person who's affecting your energy. For the duration of the reading, I'll be calling them person A and person B. So you'll know which side you resonate on and who the other person is, right? So let's see. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Aries, my email is in the description box below where you can email me. So bottom of the deck, Aries, I have the Ace of Swords in reverse. So either there is no clarity with this person or maybe you don't want to move forward with this person. So there is a bit of confusion here. Sorry, excuse me. So let's start opening your cards. The first card I have for you here, Aries, is the Justice card. Could be dealing with a Libra here who you've had a conflict with. So there's a Five of Wands here suggesting a conflict. Some secrets have come out in the open and somebody may be wanting to send you a message or you may be receiving a message regarding some kind of a commitment. And there is fast forward movement from this end as well. So we'll clarify the cards later. Let's go on to the next side. Person B has the Six of Swords in reverse, Queen of Swords in reverse. So this person B is really, really upset and very angry. They think that whatever the situation is has gone a totally wrong direction. No longer finding the strength in this dynamic anymore and trying to heal themselves. According to person B, this situation or this relationship or this dynamic is totally over. And they are in the process of healing themselves and getting over the betrayal that has been done. And then we have the King of Swords, that is clear communication coming in. Or that's what person B wanted or wants. Okay? So let's start clarifying these cards, Aries, before we go on. I'm really sorry if there's some noise coming from outside, some construction going on. So I hope it's not disturbing you too much. So the first card I have for person A side, Aries, is the Justice card. So what's this Justice, Spirit? Justice. Yes, this was regarding a commitment, regarding a happily ever after. Maybe this was a soulmate, somebody you live with maybe, or you wanted to, get together and be together for a long time. So somebody wants to bring justice to this dynamic after there's been a big conflict or a struggle with about. So yes, whatever conflict happened, Aries, this totally came to a halt. Okay, justice was not brought to this equation, okay, because something kind of ended with a fight here, a big one. So because a lot of secrets, I think, were exposed here with the High Priestess in reverse, and that brought an end to this even feeling of a happily ever after. So this could be in a family dynamic, this could be with a potential partner, this could be with an ex-lover, or could be with a friend as well. You guys could have been close, and after a fight, something really came to an end because some secrets came out and there was no wish fulfillment after that. Somebody is very restless here though, Aries. Very, very restless. They either want to send a commitment, or they want to talk, or they want to send in a message. But I don't think this person has the words yet to speak, because I think whatever was said by them in the past was not the best. There was poor communication here. And even now, they don't know how to speak correctly, or don't have the words to say what they have to say. So what is it that they have to say, Spirit? What's this Hierophant? What's this that they want to say? They want to say that since I think you guys have broken up, Aries, they have been in solitude, they have been reflecting, they have been becoming spiritually enlightened, I think, since the breakup happened. And because since person B has gone, they have only encountered bad karma. Okay, they feel that since this breakup has happened, things have really not gone in their favor. It's almost like the universe has been punishing them one way or the other, and they've been really in solitude and being single and alone, and they want to come and talk to you, I think, regarding a commitment. So what is this Hierophant then, Spirit? Can I have one more card to clarify that? What's this Hierophant? One more. They want to, Aries, if there's been a fight, if certain things have been said, they want to tell you that I didn't mean what I said, basically. Yes, I said the harsh, rude, mean things, but it was in a moment of anger maybe, or frustration. But now they want to find victory with you once again, and they want to end this fight, this turbulent times that you both are going through, and move to a calmer and a happier space for the two of you. So, Chariot, Spirit, what's this Chariot? Person A wants to now come out of the stuck position that they find themselves in. They've been alone, isolated, struggling to understand what this was all about, and I think nothing has really gone well for them. I think they have been punishing themselves, or they feel the universe has been punishing them for the way they have behaved, and they feel everything has come to an end, standstill, death. But they do want a transformation now. They want to come out of this stuck place. They want to charge ahead, make some movement now here, Aries, and bring a balance back to this equation, whatever your situation could be. This could be a job. Maybe your boss threw you out of a job, Aries, and now they realize that they can't get a better worker than you. Maybe they fired you, said some harsh, rude, mean things to you, and now their work is all stuck, and they want to kind of apologize, and they see you and them having victory together, or being successful together. This could be in a love partnership, Aries. This could be with a friend, family, sibling, anything. Let's see what person B is all about. So person B feels the entire dynamic has totally gone in the wrong direction, and they are very, very, very upset about it. Yes, there were hopes and dreams of having this 10 of Pentacles. Maybe, like I said, if this was a job, you were hoping for a promotion, right? Or you were hoping to make lots of money from this dynamic. Or maybe if there was a love partner you wanted to have a happily ever after with, and the whole jing bang of home, family, dog, children, money, everything. But since things just went a different direction here, instead of going this direction, it went another way into conflict. There is, I think, a feminine energy here who's very, very, very angry and very bitter at the moment. So, Queen of Swords, Spirit. Queen of Swords. They feel that after this fight has happened, they feel very defeated. They feel that somebody won on their account, somebody fooled them, somebody tricked them, somebody played mind games with them, and they just don't want to be part of this dynamic anymore, Aries, and they want to now close this chapter out for good. They're not interested. They feel things have, I mean, they don't have the energy, to be honest, to fight one more time with person A anymore. Okay, this person is also trying to heal, but they're trying to heal individually. They're trying to heal their own heart, their own mind, their own soul, whereas this person had the same card where they were trying now to find victory with person B and heal the situation. Okay, so both two people on different levels here from what I see. This person has given up, feels that there's no going back to person A, and person A feels that they have suffered without person B and they would like to rectify things again. So strength card, Spirit. Person B feels I don't have the strength anymore to charge ahead in this dynamic anymore. It's almost like there are two horses here. One is black, one is white, both looking in different directions and saying we can never really move forward. As much as I've tried and taken charge and tried to move this along, we always end up going in different directions and I'm unable to control this chariot anymore. So I have no more energy left and I am deciding it's better that I close this chapter out and just heal myself. So yes, person B wants to go on for a fresh new beginning for themselves. They are trying to heal themselves here, Aries. They are now protecting themselves. Okay, they're defending themselves, protecting themselves. They have barriers around them and saying, hey, nobody who's going to hurt me is allowed back in my life anymore. It's taken me a long time to come back to balance here now, and I am off for a new beginning for myself. According to person B, it's more than over. Okay, they feel they've been betrayed, and in their healing now that they're doing, they're trying to slowly release all these 10 swords which have been plunged in their back. So 10 of Swords, Spirit. 10 of Swords. They feel somebody fought an unfair fight. They feel betrayed here, Aries, because they feel the fight was unfair. It wasn't authentic. It wasn't clear. I never got a chance to, say anything because it was a one-sided fight where it's only I who got defeated. So there was no justice to this fight. And that's why this card is here twice, Aries. The Ace of Swords in reverse, right? Ace of Swords, and a fight. So there's two people fighting aimlessly. There was no reason, there was no real problem, but somebody just created a fight for the heck of it. Maybe they had a fear of change or whatever they did. They were just rude, maybe they were just selfish. Somebody said something which was totally unauthentic, and that's why this fight happened, and person B is just not interested anymore in rectifying things. King of Swords, Spirit. Why is the King of Swords here? They know heart of hearts, whether it's telepathic, whether it's through songs, whether it's through friends or family, or maybe a direct communication coming to person B. They have this knowledge, inner knowledge that this King of Swords who was in the reverse here, the same person on person A who was mean and harsh and rude, is now wanting to communicate to them and bring in some kind of news or text or message or something, but person B is keeping themselves still very, very guarded. They don't want to make any decision which can hurt them again, Aries. They have their swords up, blocking their heart. They have their blindfold on, and they're saying, hey, it's better that you don't talk to me because I know sooner or later you're going to hurt me again. So person B is very protective. They are maybe even energetically blocking this person to bring them any conversation, any news. They are pretending or trying to block this person off completely. The block of person A. So let's see. What your mutual energies are. Three of Cups in reverse. So there is a little bit of difficulty right now in having any kind of celebration or having any kind of reunion. The Lovers in reverse and the Page of Swords. Yeah, somebody has to make a choice here, or somebody has made a choice that I'm not interested in a reconciliation. But I think heart of hearts, maybe person A is watching person B, and I think person B is also a bit intrigued and also is watching person A as to, just out of curiosity, I guess. The Page of Swords is a very curious character, wants to just keep checking, over his shoulder to see what's happening behind me. But person A also seems to be, it's a mutual energy. So I think both of you have your eye on each other. So Three of Cups, Spirit. One more. Three of Swords right now, Aries is in reverse. Sorry about the noise, Aries. I'm getting a headache. I don't know about you. Let's give it a second. Maybe it'll stop. Okay. So Aries, Three of Cups is in reverse because even though both of you know heart of hearts that the other person makes them very happy, and both of you know that it's a soulmate connection. If you get together, it can turn out to be really good, whether this is a business partnership, whether this is a love, soulmate connection, whether it's any two friends getting together. You both know that you are each other's wish fulfillment. But right now, Aries, there's a bit of confusion here as to how to have this reconciliation. Okay? Somebody needs to make a solid choice here. So what's this choice, Spirit? What's this choice that Aries and their partner has to make? What's this choice that somebody has to make, Aries? Spirit? This gentleman needed to popped out before also, but was sideways, so I put him back. So somebody really wants to rush towards you, Aries. Here I don't see this person as a in and out person or a go-getter, a third party kind of a player. I see somebody here really wanting to rush towards you, but they need to stop overthinking. I think you and your partner, whoever this person is, you need to get out of your head first of all to be able to make that choice. And drop your barriers, both of you. I think you both have your barriers up. You need to now soften up a little bit. Both of you, I think, are in your little bit of pride, which is not allowing you to come in here, Aries. Why? Because somebody, I think, in the past has snuck away or cheated or lied or something. Somebody has to make a choice to begin again, to nurture, to give a solid offer, to bring in love and nurturing and caring once again. Okay, so that's an active choice that has to be made, but there is a bit of confusion right now, Aries, as to how to go about it. So Page of Swords, Spirit. Page of Swords. Somebody wants to come towards you or vice versa with an apology. All right. The choice is being made by the person who did wrong, Aries here. They are making an active choice. They have been watching you for a long time. They know that things have really spoilt between the two of you. There's been a lot of unhappiness now. Maybe you've been childhood friends or known each other for a long time. This person has been keeping a lookout, a watch on you. And I think sooner than later, this person is going to be arriving with an apology to say, hey, I've made my choice. Can you make yours? And can we kind of start from scratch here? Right? So, Spirit, then what's this reward card? I normally get a very clear indication. Today I'm not being not understanding what this reward card is. So is that the reward that Aries gets? Either gives or sends an apology? Okay, there's a lot of security coming to you, Aries. Wow. Aries, your intuition is very high at the moment. Spirit says you are coming into a place of a lot of stability and security for yourself. This will be a good time to start working with others, or if you're working for yourself, whatever you're doing, your business, your projects, your money is looking rather stable and rather good. But not only your money, Aries, it seems your love life is going to flourish as well. There is somebody coming in very stable, approaching you in the correct way this time, and who's going to be wanting to work with you. It could be in work, it could be offering you a job, it could be offering you a stable new partnership or a relationship or something. Okay, so that's what I have for you and yours, Aries. You will know your situation here now, who you're dealing with, and whatever happens, don't fret and fume, because things are going to be well. Okay, you are being rewarded for all that you've suffered. Don't worry. So love and light. Take care. Namaste.